Da da da. Welcome to CBS News. Today we're here with Trucker Lady. And Trucker Lady is going to tell us how long and hard she works as a trucker lady and who she wants for president.
Well, I've been trucking for 25 years, and I just want to say thank you for all those presidents who reduced those gas prices, because those things, darn, they're so dastardly high. I want any president who, give me a cigar, please, can reduce the prices of gas. And fast food. And likes McDonald's. And let smoking allowed in all states and restaurants.
All right, thank you, Trucker Lady. And thank you for watching CBS News.